Hello everyone, Namaste. As you know, we plan to release multiple videos in a series we started on holistic well-being. Let's start today's topic on the first Q of the 4 Qs I had mentioned in the last videos, which is the intelligence quotient. What is intelligence quotient? In theory and how to measure it, there could be contradictions, but in reality, and for all the practical purpose, I will give you details on how to use your intelligence quotient to make sure that it helps you in your journey to holistic well-being. Before we deep dive into what is IQ or intelligence quotient, I would like to bring your understanding to the concept of mind and how it is structured. You have to stop looking at mind from like a doctor or a neurosurgeon who will look at anatomy or physiology. What we are going to do today is primarily understanding theoretically how our mind is classified and how each of the centers of mind help us in determining how we become. Ideally, if I have to put in one line, we are manifestations of our subconscious mind, and I will deep dive what is that. The details on IQ and how it is measured can be debated, and there are different contrary views. But one thing is for sure, that IQ is an integral element in early phase of our life, and then it helps in developing us into a professionals doing a lot of things where we require presence of mind, so it's a very important component. But you would be surprised that why, when we are talking about holistic life, why I'm introducing IQ and how IQ has anything to do with spiritual well-being or holistic well-being. As the traditional knowledge in our scriptures, yogis, and mostly spiritual world, we say that money is not something, it's a material aspect we should not consider for a holistic living. But I have my contrary view based on experience and the reading I have done. And I have seen in my life that, it is the key aspect. It may look little not right fit discussing holistic life with IQ and money making aspects, but I will give you more details and you would appreciate that there is a strong link, and the journey to final spiritual quotient or leading a holistic life requires that we use our IQ, we bring awareness to IQ in every early phase of our life to set priorities and proactively plan our future endeavors towards attaining a more blissful life.